Hi guys, Augusto here. With a quick introduction about the farm, we are ready to go around and visit and see how the Vikings used to live. Guys, check it out. We are here at this Viking house. Okay, people, used to live over here. This is, as you can see, outside it is a farm, okay, and there were several houses over here, and these people had high status, meaning they were rich. Okay, at the time they were rich. Here's the table. Okay, here's the helmet. All right, it was made out of aluminum, not aluminum. Okay, that's another one. But some people say that these helmets were more ceremonial. The Vikings really didn't wear those all the time, and they didn't have horns. Okay, here's some of the tools. This spear over here, this is definitely a spear, like a fighting tool. You can throw that at somebody, and I guess you can also use that for hunting. The pottery. So it's a cool little museum over here, but people used to live over here. This would be a typical bed that they would sleep on. The fire, always very important, right? And everybody managed to have that. Okay. This thing over here is to blow the wind. To blow wind so the fire would catch on. All right. So as we can see over here, this house didn't have a chimney. So when they burnt the fire over here, probably there was smoke. There was smoke inside the house. You would cut wood. Wood is heavy. Okay, you would split wood, and this is something that we do in the United States also. In the United States, many houses we use wood just like this, and you put in the chimney, okay, in the fire, so it burns and warms up a house. All right, so it's very interesting. I think I missed a very interesting artifact over here that I see somebody using it. This is a skin of animal to protect you, from the cold. Very practical. And this here would be the shield. Okay, the Viking shield over here. If you were fighting, you would use that for protection, which probably you have seen many times in movies. Okay, so this is a cool little place that you can come. Hi guys, check it out. That's a Grubius house. Okay, that's from the Viking time also. All right, can you see what is different about this house over here? It has all the elements that we have seen before here in Denmark, right? The roof made out of wood, not stones. Okay, but half of it is under. Somebody's here. Somebody, don't get too close. Oh, so cute. Okay, so half of it is underground. So in the summer can stay cooler, and in the winter it stays warmer. Okay, people from this area, they really don't like extreme summer. They don't like high temperatures, so this was a good way to deal with the problem. It was also small because in this way, okay, here it is. Okay, in this way you would keep the heat, you know, inside. Okay, she just wanna come over here and, you know, do something to me. I'm going to zoom over here on some of the description so you can read it. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So this is a farm. The people who lived over here, they could provide for themselves. They would plant, okay, they would plant things. Oh, I think here you have a working area over here. Check it out. Let's see. Hello. Let's see what it is in here. Check it out. This is like a place where they would work. Okay. We are talking about, guys, the 500, 600, 700, that period. Okay, 800s. Okay, they would do work. Oh, look at the hammer, the famous Viking hammer. Look at that. This over here, you would, you know, like throw that at somebody. Po! Right? Let's see what we can do. We can do like, you know, this over here, you would, you know, like throw that at somebody who would use that as a weapon. Okay, very, very interesting. This machine over here, what would that be? Now that looks, you know, an interesting artifact, all made out of wood. Okay, look over here. Very ingenious with using what they had. Okay, it's like a carpentry shop. Look over here, the statue, very beautifully done. Let's see if we can collect any information over here. Okay, it's a workshop for the farmers, woodwork. Okay.
For soup, for example, you could take your instrument.
You carve. Yeah. You're going to
you
carve.
carve and do like this, yeah.
Okay, very nice.
Just go all around it. Okay. Right?
Beautiful.
And then when
beautiful.
it's done, you can just take it off and you can have a clean bowl.
Yes.
You just clean it out with a knife or whatever you have here.
It's very practical because you know, you're not using so much of your own power just with your
That's right, it's more efficient, right?
And carving like that. Yeah. Oh, right, beautiful.
And according to how much wood you have, you can adjust the settings here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're smart people.
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate
Call it Saturday night.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, so here's it's a wood shop. They would make, you know, like tools over here, right? They would make their own tools. They would make spoons, you know. We saw some pottery over there already. The wheels, very good. That makes sense, right? There wasn't anything around and available, so they had to be ingenious. And that's what we say, you know, necessity is the what is it? Necessity is the master of invention, right? When you need something, you know, you invent it. Look over here, the spoons. Okay, and we see that, you know, like even, you know, if you go to a crafts market, you see things like that. You know, even nowadays people, you know, do something like that. Look over here, the beginning of the whole thing. You see they're carving out of wood, like out of a piece of wood. They are carving the whole thing. Okay, That one almost looks like a design of something, you know. I said maybe you could use as a design, you know, for some furniture, pieces of furniture, because they do that over here. Okay, they do their own furniture over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed so far. It is, you know, like a lot to digest, but I myself, I think it's, you know, beautiful, very interesting. Here, this one over here, this building was used for storage. Okay, they used to storage hay over here. Okay, hay can be used to feed the sheeps. All right, it's a beautiful building. I like this door over here. Did you guys notice it? Look at those pins over there. You see, they didn't do well. Actually, this was not done on purpose, but look at the you know, the detail over here. Just, you know, like came out to be really nice. All right, they would store seeds over here also, so it was a storage house. Okay, unfortunately it is closed, but look at the work. You know, the work is really beautiful. And here, of course, you have a Viking, the boat. Okay, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. This boat was really done in a way that could navigate the waters really easily. Even shallow waters was not a problem for them, so they could go to basically anywhere that there was water, right? And they would attack some of those places. That was what the Vikings did. They would go attack some places and, you know, get some of the other folks' riches. So we are leaving this place now. We are going somewhere else now. This was a beautiful trip. Here you have some things that you can buy, some Viking, you know, symbols. They have amber over here. It's very popular in these areas. Okay, we're gonna cut the video over here. Bye.